In previous lectures, we have discussed about the different fibers and natural fibers and regenerated fibers. Today, we will discuss about the two fibers, polyethylene fiber and polyester fiber. Most of time, people confused about the polyethylene and polyester fiber. We will discuss its chemical structure and further we will discuss about the differences with respect to different properties of these fiber. First we will discuss about the difference with respect to chemical structure. Polyethylene fiber, it is made from polyethylene, a type of polymer consisting of repeating ethylene units, C2H4. While for the case of polyester, it's made from polyethylene terephthalate (PET), a polymer formed from terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol. So we can conclude that the chemical structure is different. In the case of polyethylene, it is consist of repeating unit of ethylenes, while for the case of polyester, it is formed from terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol. Further, the difference among different properties of these fibers. First is polyethylene fiber is a very lightweight and while for the case of polyester is a strong and durable, and the polyethylene fiber is high chemical resistance, and further for the case of polyester it is resistant to stretching and shrinkage. Polyethylene fiber has excellent toughness and impact resistance, while for the case of polyester good wrinkle and abrasion resistance. And for the case of polyethylene, low moisture absorption, can be very slippery and can have low melting point for some types like ultra high molecular weight polyethylene. While for the case of polyester, resist to most chemicals, hold dyes well and resist fading. More hydrophilic compared to polyethylene, though still not highly absorbent. Further, they have different applications. For the application, it is used in polyethylene is used in ropes, fishing lines, body armors, example Denema and Spectra fibers. And for the case of polyester, commonly used in clothing, home textile, and carpet and industrial products. Further, often used polyethylene is often used in outdoor marine environment due to its water resistance. While for the case of polyester, used in ropes, seat belts, and tire reinforcements. What are the differences? You can say strength and durability. Polyethylene fiber, especially ultra high molecular weight polyethylene fibers, are much stronger on weight to weight basis compared to polyester fibers. Second difference, melting point. Polyester has higher melting point, even it more heat resistant than polyethylene fiber. Third is weight. Polyethylene fiber tend to be lighter than polyester fiber. The fourth is moisture absorption. Polyester absorbs more water than polyethylene, though both have relatively low moisture absorption compared to natural. Natural fibers have high moisture absorption as compared to synthetic fibers. So this was the difference between the polyethylene and polyester fibers.